Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? So it's February and it's time for the second giveaway for 2019. So yes, it's that time of the month again. Time to do another giveaway. I want to thank everybody for entering the last contest. Everybody who have subscribed and leave comments and watch the videos and all the stuff that you've done to help support the channel. I also want to congratulate Phil C one more time for being the winner of that dash cam. So now it's time to see what the new giveaway is going to be for February 2019. And here it is. It's a Google Home Mini. So one lucky winner is going to have this thing shipped out to him or her after the contest is over. And the winning entry will be pulled on the 26th of this month. So the procedures are still the same. You click on the link in the description, which is going to zip you over to my website. Enter as many times as you want to, and you don't need to log in. I know some people had some login issue last month when they were trying to enter the contest. You just click on one of those entries and just follow the procedure. So you have up to 11:59 p.m. Central Time to enter this giveaway. Because on the 26th, I'll be pulling a name out, and then that lucky person is going to have this thing shipped out to them. There's terms, so make sure you read those in the description. Okay, so I want to wish you luck on winning this Google Home Mini. I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.